What's going on, YouTube? I got another video for y'all. I got some KTM handguards. When I put these on, usually some have like that metal guard that goes from the side of the grip to the front here. I didn't want that. I just wanted the one that basically bolts on from your lever and the brake lever. So we're gonna be installing those. I ordered some orange Brembo stickers. These two I'm gonna put on the front fork just because they match. This is my clutch cover guard. Not sure if I'm gonna put this on today. I'm gonna see. Just by looking at it, I probably gotta remove my brake pedal. I'm not sure yet. Oh yeah, look, right away I put little stickers on my wife's bike. Her wrap actually comes in tomorrow, so she's actually gonna be posting up a video on that one shortly. She's gonna be putting on her wrap, so that's gonna look pretty cool. I guess this is the mounting hardware. Alright, it's pretty nice. Color match perfect. Handschuss Montag kit. This stuff is from Austria. I believe that's where KTM is from. Okay guys, so to me what it looks like, this actually connects somehow to the brake lever and the clutch lever. Alright guys, so pretty much this gets connected in here. This one's actually a different bracket than the left side, right side. Different bracket on this side, same thing. Pops out, pops in. It's held by these screws. I'm just actually gonna put these in right now. All right, let's mount these up, see how it goes. All right, I'll remove the top bracket that goes on the lever. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's a little bolt that holds the lever. So this is what it looks like. Put the bolt back on. I gotta replace it with this one. It's a little bit longer, since it's going to be a little bit thicker. It comes with these supplied zip ties. They look the same length to me. This looks like it slides in here like this. These little spacers actually go in here. Well, not spacers, actually the other bolt to the bottom end. It's cut, so these bad boys go right in here like this. That's what I'm gonna do now. And I'll show y'all once I get it all mounted up. I'll show you what it all looks like. It actually seems pretty tight, and it's on there. So I'm gonna raise this up to pick it up. So this strap here will fix it. This just gets strapped in like this. But that wasn't too bad, guys. Just gonna put this slightly up like this for now, to line these up. Alright, that one's spring loaded. This is a little bit longer. Put this one up real quick. I'll run the zip tie first. So this will get zip tied, well, this way. Zip tied to the actual cable of the clutch line cable. Zip tied, hold it in place. You know what's crazy about it? Without even putting this, once I tighten this, it was actually pretty, look, it's real sturdy, and I haven't even got this one zip tied yet. So this is probably just for added securement, that's all. Guys, this is what I was telling you about. Let me look here. This piece goes in here like this. Like so. It'll look like that. Which looks about right. God darn it. It's unbelievable. There you go. Perfect. Put the bar straight. Get a nice look. Look down a little bit. Looks good to me. Let's see what this feels. Got my hand guards. Yeah, this feels good. I just gotta zip tie this together. That's actually good. Oh, these things are dope. I like these a lot. I don't know. I do like the bars. My wife got them. I like them. I had them on my bike. The reason why I took them off is because it was just scratched up. I didn't feel like buying another pair, and I seen these from factory. I think this is how it comes on these years, the 2013, with these, because I ordered these for this bike, and this is what came. And I did Google, and this is what they look like. They didn't have like a bar, the whole bar. I think that's like an aftermarket piece. I like these. I know it doesn't give you that much protection, but I like how they look. All right, let me go show y'all what it looks like. This is how they attached. I took out the stock bolt and replaced it with this other bolt. This piece basically just goes over the lever. The lever came out, as you can see. This piece slid in, attached with the bolt right there. I mean, well, this is where it tightened it up at. And then it came with the factory zip tie. Where is it, right here? And I zip tied it, and same thing with that side. Factory zip tie right here. And bolted in right there to the bottom. And yeah, there you go. That's it. It's looking good, man. Let's put these stickers on. Alright guys, not sure what I'm gonna do with the little guys yet, but the bigger one's gonna go here, and one's gonna go to the other side. I just gotta probably remove this. I think I'm gonna put this one on first so I know exactly where I could go with it. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Lower? Center? I don't know. To the side? I'm going front. I think it'll probably be dope if I center it instead of being lower. I'm gonna center it, I guess. Yeah. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna do this side first, and then go with it. See what it looks like. Probably gonna have to remove this, clean it up. Looks good to me. I'm gonna just use the red ones on the side right here. It should be pretty dope. If it was sideways, the sticker, I actually would have put them on the rear swing arm guards, but it's not. So I think it'll be cool there. Check it out. I like it. Can't get too close on the other side because my table's in the way, but yeah, it's pretty much how she looks. It's late. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Call it a night, I should say. Once again, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching this. Please like and subscribe, and more videos on the way. Thanks.